Hello everyone, welcome back to Hey Coders. Today we will be solving longest subarray with maximum bitwise AND. This is the problem of the day question. So we are given an array nums with size n. Okay. Uh, Let us understand the question first. Consider a non-empty subarray from nums that has the maximum possible bitwise AND. In other words, let k be the maximum value of bitwise AND of any subarray of nums. Then only subarray with bitwise AND equal to k should be considered. इसका मतलब क्या है? अपन को एक subarray consider करना है and we have to calculate the bitwise and we consider only the value which is maximum after performing the bitwise AND operation. ठीक है. अपन एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं ताकि और ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ आए. One more thing is what we have to return the length of longest subarray. We have to return the longest subarray. Okay. First of all, what is subarray? Subarray is the contiguous sequence of elements within an array. Okay. मतलब neighboring elements 1 2 3 means ये एक सब array हो गया 1 2 3 और 2 3 3 is also a sub array 3 3 is also a sub array. So these are all some sub arrays. So here the output is 2. How? First understand the bitwise AND operation. If we do 2 and 4, the output is 0. How we calculate the AND? AND of 1 and 0 is 1. 1 and 0 is 0. The AND of 1 and 1 is 1. It means the AND operation of 1 and 1 is only 1. The AND operation of 1 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is also 0. 0 and 0 is also 0. Okay. We can conclude that let's take an example. If I do the AND operation of 3 and 4, what it became 0 0 1 1. Sorry, it is AND operation 0 0 1 1 and 0 1 0 0, right? The AND operation of this is 0. Am I correct? If I do 4 and 4, what it will become? It is 4, right? And let's take another example. 5 and 7. How 5 is represented in bits? 0 1 0 1. And how 7 is represented? 0 1 1 1. Am I correct? 4 5 6 and 7. Okay. So the output of this is 5. How so? The AND of 0 and 0 is 0. The AND of 1 and 1 is 1. The AND of 0 and 1 is 0. The AND of 1 and 1 is 1. So this is 5. Now here we can conclude that the AND operation of any two elements is always be less than equals to min of a comma b. See this example. If we took 3 and 4, sorry, see this example 5 and 7. We did the AND operation of 5 and 7. What we get is 5, which is minimum value of a and b. Okay. Let's take this 3 and 4. The AND operation is 0, which is less than the minimum of these elements. Means the AND operation of a and b is always be less than equals to minimum of a comma b. And one more thing, the element, if we do AND of itself, then it will result as 5. Like if we do 5 and 5, then the output is 5. If we do 7 and 8, the output is something less than or equals to 7. Less than or equals to 7. Okay. So what we can do is, it means if I consider the maximum element, if I take the maximum element of these elements in the nums, then that will be the sub array. Means the maximum of these element is 3 and the sub array is 3 comma 3. If I do the AND of 2 and 3, अगर मैंने 2 and 3 का AND किया तो इसका वैल्यू हमेशा लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 2 आएगा. अगर मैंने 1 और 2 का AND ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया सो मेरा वैल्यू हमेशा लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 1 आएगा. पर अगर मैंने 3 एंड 3 किया तो हमेशा 3 आएगा, विच इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर. अगर मैंने 2 एंड 2 किया तो 2 आएगा. बट अपन को क्या बोला है, वी हैव टू टेक द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू और मैक्सिमम बिटवाइज एंड. ठीक है. सो वी विल कंसिडर दिस सब एरे. ठीक है. ये प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए फर्स्टली वी हैव टू फाइंड द मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट ऑफ एन एरे. मीन्स पूरे एरे में कौन सा एलिमेंट मैक्सिमम है. हियर इट इज 4. बट अगर मैं 4 को किसी और के साथ एंड ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कराऊं, किसी भी लेसर एलिमेंट के साथ एंड ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कराऊं, तो मेरे को हमेशा छोटा वैल्यू मिलेगा. बट वी हैव टू फाइंड द मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल बिटवाइज एंड. तो अपन सिर्फ सब एरे में 4 कंसिडर करेंगे. समझा? आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. लेट्स कोड इट एंड मेक इट मोर क्लियर. Firstly, we have to find the max element. Int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. So this is the another approach to find max. One of the approach I have explained in the previous video. Let's go and check it out. Okay. We have to find the length. So I have initialized the count variable as 0. I also initialize the answer variable as 0. Okay. We run the for loop again. So now, let's understand this. अगर मेरा कोई भी वैल्यू nums of I, कोई भी वैल्यू equals to max है, तो मेरे को क्या करना है, काउंट इंक्रीज करना है एंड मेरे को मैक्सिमम सब एरे चाहिए ना. तो आंसर इज इक्वल्स टू मैथ डॉट मैक्स ऑफ काउंट कॉमा आंसर. अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रहा है, वी हैव टू reinitialize count as 0 and we just return the answer. Let's run and check this out. Okay, let's submit it. Yeah, so this code is submitted. Here the time complexity is O of n. Like अपन for loop लगा रहे तो O of n. Okay. कोई extra space we are not using, so the space complexity is O of 1. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, then like, share, comment and subscribe and stay tuned.